Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today, if I have to describe the market in one word, is terrible. And yesterday, it was a gap down of 250 points in Nifty yesterday morning. Today morning, it was a gap up of 250 points. So every day 250 point gap up, 250 point gap down, so intraday make a huge moves. Today Bank Nifty pre-market would open 400, 500 point higher and then, falling 700, 800 point. So markets were going all over the places and adding to the expiry day volatility. What has actually happened yesterday? UK announced some bond buying program. So because of that, the global markets have seen some kind of a short covering. When the markets are very, very bearish, so this kind of good news does not last for more than a day. Only those people who are the weaker people who shorted the market in the last 1 or 2 days, so they will be seeing the MTM loss and they will be exiting. So that's why the market goes higher. But positional short sellers would like to short when the market recovers again. So yesterday Dow Jones was up nearly 550 points, but right now it is down by 300 points. So the UK bond buying program, so that positive news has been fizzled out. So when a good news comes, when it is not lasting even one day, and when the markets are falling continuously for 5, 6, 7 trading sessions without any negative news flow, so that confirms that so global markets are firmly in the bear grip. And look at the Nifty also, the September month. So it's today's closing is the lowest closing in the September month. And who would have thought when the market went to 18,000 plus? So everyone thought, so India is in a sweet spot. Because India is being included in the global bond index, and so the problems in Europe and US will help India to attract more companies. So completely fizzled out. These FIIs, they are just left, right and center, they're selling the shares. So we have closed at the lowest point of the series. And usually when a series closes at the lowest point of the series, the next day market has to rally, and then only we can hope the October series to be good. But if tomorrow also we are down, then it's going to be very, very bad. But right now, looking at the US futures, we have to wait for the US market to open and how it closes, and then other data to see if there is any possibility of a kind of a rally tomorrow. So, but as of now, that possibility looks very less. Things are looking very bad. There is no need to look at open interest and this and that, because this is the end of the series and the people will start taking positions tomorrow only. So right now the European markets are down, US futures are down, and so things are really, most of the markets are going towards the 52-week low and like that. So today the Bank Nifty was just too volatile, and many stocks. Look at the Asian Paints. It was down by more than 5%. And of course, Asian Paint was a high volatile stock. So sometimes 1 or 2 weeks before, I saw it was trading around 3,400. It went to 3,250, then 3,550, and so going all over the places. And somehow I feel that most of these stocks have come to the support level. Okay, look at the Reliance Industries. For more than a year, it has been trading between 2,200 and 2,800. Now it is very close to 2,300, just 100 point away from swing low. So markets should take support around here. So I told that 16.8 should be a good support. Today, although it broke 16,800 briefly in between, but on a closing basis, it closed about 16,800. And the next month futures, they are not trading at a great premium. So if you look at the data, we have to wait until the end of the day to see the data. Mostly FIs will be having huge short positions. So that is what I think it's going to happen. So sometimes, when everything is gloom and doom, that is when the markets bottom out. So let us hope market bottoms out. Let us hope that 16,800 act as a good support at least for October series. So anyway, so those things we will discuss tomorrow. I could not give more details as I'm too busy in Dubai conference. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.